Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission off of any of those purchases. Looks like today we're doing number 217. We start with this box here. We're missing a 2 and a 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got the 2 and 3 here, so this is our 5, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 1, 6, and 8 here, so this is our 9. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 8, a 6 here, so 1, 8. And no help here, so 1, 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 3, a 3 and 6 here. So that means this is our 1, 3, 6. And then we can get rid of the 6 here, which means the only place in our column the 6 can be is here. So this box then is missing that 1 and 8, but we've got a 1 here. So that makes this our 8, 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here. So 2, 1. For this row now, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 here and a 5 here, so this is our 3. That 2 makes this our 5 and 2. If we look at this top row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 7, 9. For this column now, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 6. 2 covering both of these boxes and a 3 here. That means this is our 6, 3, and 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so this is our 9. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2, and that 2 makes this our 3. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6, 7. No help here. Oops, sorry. 5 and 7 there. No help here. So this is 5, 6, 7. And the same here, 5, 6, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. That 7 makes this our 5. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 3. A 9 here, so 5, 9. This 5 makes this our 7, 5. 5 and 6 here makes this our 7. 5 and 7 here makes this our 6. And that's it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.